pip dehydration. The food can be eat as snack or to eat with the other kind of food. Pretty tasty. Now we buy about 2 pounds of ground pip in the grocery store, and you drain it. Put it in the hot pan and high heat, and on the fat will be rendered. So we separate the fat from the meat. Now, see, the fat and the meat separate. The fat will become liquid, so we drain the fat out of the meat. So this food is good because no longer fat into the meat. Now use some ingredient: chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, sugar. Ground it and then mix with the meat. So after the ingredient in the meat already mixed, add some corn starch into that and mix again, and then ground it. This is corn starch. Because no fat in the meat, so the ingredient and the meat here it not stick together. So if you want to it become a full meat, you need cornstarch. So you ground it to make it more finer, and later you can cut it. It stick together. After grounding, keep in refrigerator for 4 hours, and then you can cut it into small pieces. Now cut it whatever shape you like. You can roll it, cut into small pieces, and then put in a tray to dry dehydration. So after dehydration, you use that as snack, or you eat with another kind of food. It's very tasty and no fat. So ingredient, how much you like, and what more ingredient you can put garlic, or you can put lemongrass. Good. Put on a tray to dry it. It takes about 6 hours and 160 degree F. And then after dry, you can keep it in the vase. You eat day by day. Good. Now let's try it.